Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are having our Runyankole lesson 2. Thank you for having the lesson 1 because I've seen some 90 people have viewed that video, and I hope it was interesting. You learned some good Runyankole, how to greet. Mostly because the lesson 1 was about greetings, because that's the first thing you learn in a community. Now we're going to learn how to calculate counting from numbers 1 up to 100. Excuse me. And also we are going to learn how to count money. Yes, money in Ugandan shillings. And the presenter is none other than Muhoozi Dennis. Is an engineer by profession and has taught from primary level. Has taught very sorry. So I've taught at primary level. I've gone to secondary, then I've now taught postgraduate because I taught people how to design websites and other softwares. Now got our lesson 1, which is counting, and you're going to learn with counting. We have 1 in Runyankole. 1 is called emwe, 2 is called ibiri, 3 is called ishatu. Now an example, we have cows. You know cows? So if you have, and cow in Runyankole is called ente. So if I have 1 cow, that one I say ente emwe. Ente emwe. If there are 2, ente ibiri. If there are 3, ente ishatu. If there are 4, ente ina. 5, itano. 6, mukaga. 7, mushanju. 8, munana. 9, mwenda. 10, ikumi. 11, ikumi na emwe. But for those who have learned how to pronounce, they will say ikumi nemwe. So you find that this a is silent. You say ikumi nemwe. Then you go 12, ikumi na ibiri. Or you can say ikumi na ibiri. You go to 13, ikumi na ishatu. 14, ikumi nina. 15, ikumi ni itano. 16, ikumi na mukaga. So if you can notice, we are combining. We are saying ikumi, then we add na, then we add the corresponding letter, the corresponding number from 1 up to 9. That's why ikumi na mushan 17 is made up of 10, then you add 7. Ikumi na mushanju. Then you have 18, ikumi na munana. Then we have 19, ikumi na mwenda. We have 20, makumi abiri. Makumi abiri. Makumi abiri. That means it is a bundle of 10. When you have 10 in 2 bundles, that one is called makumi, because there are 2, so you call them makumi abiri. That is why even 10 wasa kujeta makumi emwe, but we call it makumi abiri, that is 20. 21 makumi abiri n'emwe, but in Runyankole we shorten those words. We say abiri na emwe, makumi is neglected. Abiri na emwe, abiri n'emwe. You got 22 makumi abiri n'emwe, makumi abiri n'ibiri, pronounced as makumi abiri n'ibiri, or you can say just abiri n'ibiri. We got 23, you can call it abiri na ishatu. You notice we are adding 20 plus the corresponding digit, that is from 1 to 9, because 20 is abiri. Machura, abiri. So when you add 3, abiri na ishatu. If it was 24, we should have said abiri na ina. We got 30. 30 is makumi ashatu. Makumi ashatu. Or you can say ashatu. Someone will know that you are talking of 30. Then you got 31. Ashatu na emwe. Ashatu n'emwe. Ashatu n'emwe. Ashatu n'emwe. Then we go to 32. That is ashatu na ibiri. Ashatu na ibiri. Ashatu n'ibiri. We got 40. Makumi ana. Makumi ana. That is, or you can say ana. 41. Ana n'emwe. Ana na emwe. That is 40 plus 1. Ana na emwe. 42. Ana na ibiri. 50. Makumi atano, or you can say atano. 51. Atano na emwe. Atano n'emwe. Got 60. Makumi mukaga, or you can say nkaga. Nkaga. If 61, nkaga na emwe. Nkaga n'emwe. 70. Makumi mushanju, or you can say nshanju. 71. Nshanju na emwe. If there is 72, nshanju na ibiri. 73. Nshanju na ishatu. 79. Nshanju na mwenda. Got 80. Makumi munana. Ninga sunasa kujeta, you can call it chinana. 80. Chinana. 81. Chinana na emwe. 82. Chinana na ibiri, or chinana ni ibiri. 90. Makumi mwenda, or you can say chenda. Chenda n'emwe. Chenda ni ibiri. Chenda ni ishatu. We have 100. 100. Chikumi, or you can call it igana. Igana, or you can say magana emwe, but we call it igana. You got 101. Igana emwe. Igana emwe. That is 101. Now we got counting money. In Ugandan shillings we have 100. That is chikumi. We have 200. Vividi. We have 500. Bitano. We have 1,000. rukumi. We have 2000, enkumi ibiri. We have 3000, enkumi ishatu. We have 5000, enkumi itano. We have 10,000, omutwaro. We have 20,000, emitwaro ebiri. You can notice from 2000 we are saying enkumi. That means we have 4,000. That is enkumi ina. 6,000, enkumi mukaga. 7,000, enkumi mushanju, or you can say kashanju. We have 50,000, emitwaro etano. And that marks the end of our lesson. I hope you have understood how to count, and next time we shall add on more and learn more to count. Ntukwe or counting in Runyankole is called okubara. Okubara. Like here, counting money. Okubara esente. Let me write it for you. Counting money is written as okubara esente. That is counting money. Counting alone is okubara. We meet in next lesson. Thank you for